Thirikari kaunti ya MERU ina maamba manayana 33 yaraya ikoti bone kuringana na ripoti irekinyete kire mbunge ya MERU MCS bwana indi BARIUGA ni bakuthugania ati kwina witikanĩria na abithaa pamwe ba thirikari na baria baikite magamba ya kenda bayira thirikari. MCS Okolotwa Agnes Karemi ni wethirite nende ugitakia ripoti na Muthuri Muriuki na uthwande toi.
Ni MC Okolotwa no Agnes Karemi kwethete ripoti kwenda kumenya Magamba Ja Kaunti kaunti ya MERU na jatumire mbeca ingana na ndi ripoti ino mbite kumira.
And I have noted what I asked for is not what they have got. I had asked, according to my letter, I had asked about the cost implications, and the report that has come does not indicate the quarter ones and figures.
Alama nkina ni kaunti ya MERU ina magamba jana ja 33 na ki magamba ja yonthe kaunti ya MERU mbite kuthegechina na igamba limwaki.
I am shocked. Report ye KWIYA ejera report sharo cases 433 cases. Now out of 433 cases ne mwake ya win iwinge ciothe ithe cienderete kotini ingi ciathiririe bati kwenda kugimba cingana itumirikite na cionde nda kumenya cingana itumikite no ntubatu kimbanje tuti budget ya cases na mbeca icio nthe cases ira cirusite no tucirusite cases they have really lost cases almost every case barusite case na mbeca icio nthe bajuka ya care development na nde unda tibo bwega kamburie na mburi mbeca ingana kenda tumenya MERU mbeca ciao cia development na ara igwita no tutigwitira MERU ngugi ira ibati gwitwa
indi amna bubu MC baba kali report eji bagwite baba tinganiri no nto report eji teye nembeca iria Magamba Ja tumirite
MERU nande narwa iturete report etiozuri report shalo report ira banenkanite tumaratachi no bakunenkanira ibo ituboletie mandu ja mbeciri tumikite ki rigo cases ira twina cio KOTINE na ira ciombete kwithwa cie consume a lot of money, taxpayers money mwana MERU na ranyatho itukuganga gukaria MERU rimwe tukuinyiria MERU tukiuga tumukaria ri tugatumia mbeca nyingi KOTINE na cases iu tukomba kwereithwa kwi wamba bora bukwenderea aja katikati ya department yeu kana executive na antu bau ba KOTINE ki nonto kesi ira tomba kunenkerwa kana turoretie cost echo tutombeta ku explain.
The most important thing is that we want them to find out how much we have lost. That makes financial sense on our speaker. So giving us narrations that have no value, no fact, no figures on our speaker cannot be condoned by this honorable house.
So Mr. Speaker, I think this house needs to take action on the same department because they have been taking us in circles severally, Mr. Speaker. And I request that we don't seek further statement, but we summon the senses here.
Bagiwa kwamba kwithwa thirikari kaunti ya MERU kautumira Magamba ja njira imwe kwithwa kinyangia mbeca.
Mr. Speaker, I must say that this government is careless without an apology because they go out saying that they are protecting the money for the MERU people. But Mr. Speaker, we are losing a lot of money here through these cases. And Mr. Speaker, we need to get to know whether this legal department is the incompetent officers in this department. Because some people in this government, they don't even understand why they were employed.
Na batu twasike information na tukwenda kuwata kuma ki department iji either tukaero itwe ya time to ba extend time ba itaba kabuithie kana ba itaba tubuithirie report kana either ba tutumira report ite ura ba tutwingwa tukwende
433 cases bagwinete case imwe na batu toriuga manjo te manjo ja kwetho ja kawaida ewin by design na bakeva bagitangoge ura kutiagirite kira kwenda kuga mwankira thaiji batu turi assembly ya MERU tukuga tukeja na legal framework policy area kahakikisha at least tukira some good structures kenda tumba kwa tukimonitor what is happening.
Nyanda asikire kandi onere government yeje yakawera mwangaza ina cases nyinge mono day in day out atinda wikwa KOTINE no ntwalita ngugi bura gutibaterie arita ngugi kinyume na sheria na ore ndera akaita ngugi kinyume na sheria no mwanka kesi ciendelee KOTINE.
Wanaotepetea kazini na ambao waliopitia katika mikono ya hawa wabunge kuingia katika hizo ofisi, ni wakati wetu sasa tuamuke, tuangalie ni wapi ambayo haya maji yameanza kupoteza mkondo.
Ankiripotera Wuru TV, Bitabu Muriuki.